Hey everyone, I am Vishnuvardhan and welcome back to our series. Today we are diving into a core platform configuration in ServiceNow dependent fields. Let's see a simple scenario. Imagine you are building a custom office assets table. You want to make sure that when a user selects a category like electronics, the subcategory field only shows options like laptop and monitor. If they switch to furniture, it should only show chair or desk. This prevents data entry errors and keeps your CMDB clean. Now let's see how it is done. Open ServiceNow platform. Click on All. Navigate to Tables under System Definitions. Click on New. Now we will label this as Office Assets. Notice how name automatically becomes U underscore Office underscore assets. Now uncheck the create module option. Now go to columns and add two column fields. Name it as category and another is subcategory and make both fields choice type. Click on save. Now let's define the choice and dependencies. Right click on the subcategory field. It will redirect to configure dictionary. Now under related links, select advanced view. Go to the dependent field tab. Check the box that says use dependent field. In the dependent field on the field lookup, select your category field. Click update. Now let's add our choices. Right click on the category field, it redirect to dictionary entry. Go to the choices related list at the bottom. Create a choice for electronics in the category field. Now set the value also electronics. Now insert another choice field furniture and make the value also furniture. Now save the form and get back to subcategory field, right click on it. Go, it will take to the dictionary entry field form. Now create a choice for laptop and value also laptop. In the dependent value column, type electronics. The electronics value should match same as electronics value in the category field. Add another choice monitor and the value also monitor. Independent field we should also add electronics. Now add another choice chair, value also chair, and the dependent value is furniture. Under furniture add another choice also like desk. The value should also be desk. Dependent value furniture. Click on save. Ensure the dependent value matches the category choice value exactly. Under related links, click on the show form. Notice when I first open the form, subcategory is empty or shows in nothing. The moment I select electronics, the subcategory drop-down filters instantly to show only laptop or monitor. If I switch to furniture, it dynamically changes to chair and desk. The dependent value is case sensitive. If your category value in lowercase electronics, your dependent value must be also in lowercase. If you are doing this on the table that extend task, you might need to use dictionary override to apply these dependencies without affecting other tables. That's it for today. Thank you.